Okay, so I know ilang beses ko na silang binanggit sa aking channel, but I want to make a separate video for this three specifically, which is from the laundry collection of Bath and Body Works. We have Fresh Getaway, we have White T-shirt, and we have Fresh Coconut and Cotton. So, masyadong bright yung aking ilaw. Let me just adjust it. I hope you can now see yung itsura nila. Pag masyado kasing bright, medyo hindi siya nakikita. So, anyway, let's start with this one. This is one of the favorites na I think it's underrated. We have Fresh Getaway. Look at that. So, this one is Bright Yuzu Citrus, Fresh Ocean Air. Getaway to the coast with this refreshing fragrance that's crisp, clean, and beaming with sunny warmth. So, nung una ko tang naamoy, hindi ko siya masyadong bet kasi because of that yuzu. Yuzu is a citrus na masyado siyang maasim para sa akin nung ginamit ko siya. Parang nangangasim siya. But, when I started using it, parang medyo nasanay yung ilong ko sa kanya and nagustuhan ko siya kasi it's a very fresh fragrance. Perfect for summer anytime dito sa Pilipinas. Amoy malinis, amoy bagong ligo. It has a bit of fruit in there. Sweet na fruit na parang amoy yung ripe na fruit. Pero it still has that yung konting asim ng fresh citrus. It reminds me of dalandan. Alam mo yun? Dalandan. Kung may hambing ko siya sa prutas sa Pilipinas, dalandan, parang ganon. Pero ripe na dalandan and it has a bit of ocean air. It has a bit of aquatic notes in there. So, this is a unisex scent, fresh na fresh. I think marami din nagkagusto ng ganito dito sa Pilipinas. Because it's very safe sa ating initan na weather. Let's move on to the next one. We have Fresh Coconut and Cotton. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Meron siyang a little bit of pink sa packaging niya with gold flecks in there. So, this one is Coconut, Coastal Breeze, and Beachside Cotton. So, yeah, this one is a very coconutty na may cotton na scent. So, imagine mo yung smell ng cotton. There's a lot of fragrances na ginagamit yung note ng cotton and add a lot of coconuts in there. So, may nakita akong nag-review nito na sabi niya parang labada na tapunan ng maraming virgin coconut oil. And yes, I agree to that at some point. May nagsabi din sa akin, hey Darlene, na nahihilo daw siya dito kay Fresh Coconut and Cotton. So, don't be deceived by fresh coconut. Yung ibig niya sabihin siguro doon, it's like yung coconut niya is a little bit fresh. It's not too warm, but it's still coconut. And hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan to ng mga tao dito sa Pilipinas. But sa US, bet na bet nila. You have to be a coconut lover para ma-appreciate mo tong fresh coconut and cotton. We have the hype one. We have white t-shirt. So this is what it looks like, yung white t-shirt. It's white and it has some flecks of gold in the packaging. Tapos wala siyang pink. Ang difference ni fresh coconut and cotton, meron siyang a little bit of pink-ish, like an old rose type of pink sa packaging niya. And dito naman si Fresh Getaway, it has blue strips in there. So this one is crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. So, I have mentioned this one a lot of times in my channel. So, kung madalas kang nanonood sa aking channel, I'm sure alam mo na kung ano yung amoy nito based on kung alam mo yung sasabihin ko. But I'll still repeat, this is a fruity type of labada. Alam mo yung amoy labada na bagong hango from the dryer kung gumagamit ka ng washing machine tapos may downy. So it smells like labada. It smells like a bagong labang damit. To me specifically, it smelled like a freshly laundered na beddings, na white na beddings. Pero it doesn't necessarily have to be that. It's just what it reminds me of, yung na-imagine na aking utak. But, yung amoy niya, it will remind you of yung smell ng fabric conditioner and fabric detergent with some fruity notes in there. So, amoy panglaba talaga. So, pag ginamit mo to, amoy parang bagong laba yung damit mo or amoy malinis ka. So, perfect na perfect for mainit na panahon. Pwede rin siya para sa mga nagtatrabaho sa ospital, yung mga ayaw nila ng amoy ng pabango. May mga ganun eh, ayaw nilang mag-amoy ng amoy ng mga regular na pabango, pero gusto nila ng amoy malinis, yung soft lang, yung hindi masakit sa ilong. Hindi siya masakit sa ilong para sa akin because it's a soft fragrance. It's not very projecting na tipong mahihilo yung mga katabi mo. Actually, yun din yung downside nito para sa akin kasi hindi siya masyadong performing. Kailangan mong ilapit yung ilong mo sa kailangan masyadong malapit ka para maamoy mo yung tao na nagsusuot nito. Pero if you're only wearing for yourself, yung ayaw mo naman ng, hindi mo naman kailangan ng beast mode na fragrance, get this one. Magpadala ka sa hype kasi hype na siya ngayon. Ang hirap na niyang hanapin ng a little mas affordable. Mahal na yung bentahan niya sa Shopee and sa Lazada. I think umabot siya ng 1,000. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero if you could get your hands on something na lower na price, kung hindi mo naman magustuhan, maraming bibili niyan kasi na-hype nga siya. This is really very, very clean. Kung ayaw mo naman sa scent niya, pwede namang pang-relaxing na bedtime scent sa yung spray mo sa pillow mo, like a pillow mist. Hindi pong masarap, di ba yung tulog kapag bagong laba, yung bagong palit yung mga bedsheet mo, di ba ganun? So, it can give that kind of effect. And I saw TEDx talk na the power of fragrance, yung topic niya, and she mentioned na yung pinaka relaxing na scent para sa kanya. I don't know if I remember the talk correctly or accurately, pero yung amoy ng fabric conditioner because it reminds her of her mom, and it wasn't, hindi lang basta-basta yung mga design ng mga fabric conditioner na nilalabas. They really design it in a way na it's comforting, that it will remind you of home, it will remind you of your mom maybe sometimes. So yeah, that's just, ang dami ko lang sinabi sa white t-shirt, but that's it. Hindi ko siya ginagamit for myself personally. Si Chan yung gumagamit nito, inangkin na niya. Bumili ako ng dalawa nung available pa siya sa Bath and Body Works. Tapos, binenta ko yung sa akin, tapos naiwan yung sa kanya. Sana iniwan ko na lang yung isa. Mabibenta ko ng mas malaki. But, it's okay. I sold it to a friend. So, anyway, if you have liked this video, if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below kung naamoy nyo na yung mga to. What are your thoughts about it? Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, that's okay. We are here to discover fragrances na gusto natin. It doesn't have to be everything about what we like or what we love. It can be about something na na-experience natin. Malay mo, yun pala yung hinahanap ng frag head na nandito sa ating comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on this next video.